Hello, in this video we're going to fund an ICMarkets broker account using the Tether USDT method. We log into the account. In the menu section, we select the deposit option.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
In the section related to deposit methods, you can go ahead and choose your own preferred deposit method. The deposit method that we are planning to use here is through Tether. We will now select this method. In this part, you select the account you want to fund. If you have multiple accounts, you have the option to choose your desired cryptocurrency, which we've chosen as USDT, the amount, and then we select the Start Deposit option. At this stage, we select the desired network. You must deposit the required amount to the wallet address provided here, or you can copy the wallet address in this section and paste it into the recipient's wallet section. Also, please keep in mind that you have the option to scan the QR code through your wallet application. Be careful to enter the exact amount for the transfer correctly and in full, making sure there are no mistakes or omissions. Double-check all the details before confirming your transaction to ensure everything is accurate. We've transferred the amount. The transaction is in progress. We must be patient and wait for the process to be fully completed. We have already made the payment successfully. After just a few minutes, the amount that we paid will be added to the balance section of your account. Please allow a short moment for everything to update properly. You can also check your deposit status in the account section. You can find this information under the transaction history section of your account. And once the transaction has been fully completed, you will notice that its status will automatically change to successful, indicating that everything has gone through as expected. In future videos, we will be with you to discuss other deposit and withdrawal methods at ICMarkets broker. Good luck.
7 powerful volume trading indicators, footprint, volume profile, and fast scalper. Level up your trading.